Hello there folks, it's Andy here from Andy's World Journeys. I'm at the Novotel Cairo airport, well 5 minutes from, and we're heading down there now because I'm flying for the first time in my life on Qatar Airways. We are flying to Istanbul with a layover of about, 8 hours or something in Doha. The first flight is economy, but the second flight is business class, so we can see how the two compare against each other. So without much ado, let's make our way to Terminal 2. Woohoo! As we make our way to Cairo Airport, a very brief 5-minute journey from the hotel. Today's vlog, we are journeying from Cairo to Doha on Qatar Airways in an A350, and we are flying economy class. Later in the week, I will continue on from Doha to Istanbul, flying business class with Qatar Airways. Please do click the like button and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps the channel to grow. And it's just about time to check in at Cairo Airport. There we go, departures.
This way.
No problem, thank you so much. Shukran. Okay. It's a big airport. Yeah, a very big airport. I do wonder, in fact, if it needs to be as big as it is. But hey. Okay, well, we've got to check in. We've got to check in. I'm not sure about the system. Oh, you've got to go through security first. So turn this off. A little bit of duty free there, Cairo duty free, and a few shops here and there. I need to sit down for a bit. Crazy to the last was going through security. Everything really just takes longer than it should. Hey, Okay folks, well we're less than an hour away from boarding now, and I'm going to nosy on down to the gate. The plane is an A350 and the flight time I was told was 3 hours 50, so just under 4 hours. Didn't think it was quite that long, but anyway, let's do it. And people are lining up. It's 50 minutes to go, so I think they're about to start boarding. Qatar have a great reputation. Let's see if it includes getting away on time. And yes, I have been pretty excited at the thought of travelling Qatar. Yeah, I really wanted to on this trip, and originally I didn't have any Qatar flights, but now we're going back to Qatar, via Qatar to Istanbul. We have a window seat. I don't know if it's going to be any good to us. It's an overnight flight. Really, I suppose I'd like to just put my head down and see if I can sleep. There she is, the A350 Qatar Airways. Ooh. Yeah, there's not going to be a lot to see on the first flight, is there? Not much out the window, I don't think. Excellent. Definitely a full flight, by the way. I was told they oversold by 21 seats, so there's a good chance that people are missing out. Shukran. Okay folks, the boarding experience.
how you doing?
Not too bad.
Very good, Mr. Bullen. Please,
you.
can you take the lift pad all the way down from there?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Oh yes. This is first class, I think. Oh, they make you go backwards. I don't know if it's business or... I don't think they have business. It's just first on here. And we've got a 333 configuration. Wow, we are somewhere quite near the back. $31, $32, $32. There's our seat. 38k. Here we are. And up there, Cairo Airport goes upon its business. Here's your economy seat. I think it must have some sort of Wi-Fi. They've got a power socket, which is great. I don't think I'll need it, but hey. Actually, pretty decent leg room. Again, I'm not the tallest. And, well, pillow, blanket, and brightly coloured headphones. Oh, camera views. Oh wow, how about that? Choice of camera views, that's pretty cool. It's very cool. Well, that gives you a rough idea, doesn't it? And there we go, and we can see 2,229 kilometres from Cairo across to Doha. Okay, well, folks, I'm going to settle in. Okie dokie, we are starting to taxi. It's 1:27, pretty much on time. There's not much to see in the middle of the night. They've got a drink service on this flight. It is a 1:20 a.m. flight, getting in at like 5:30. So you wouldn't expect food. I don't want food. So yeah, so far very, very good. Comfortable seat, plenty of entertainment. Left basically on time. And the cabin crew are very bright and engaging, which is great. Remember how I said I didn't think we were going to get food? Got a whole meal. I don't know how much I'll eat. I got lamb. Lamb mahkus. There you go, it's a rice with lamb, I guess. It smells good, looks alright. A bit of yogurt, I think that's couscous. And I don't know if that's cake or bread. I think it's cake. This is cake, yeah? Or bread?
Bread.
It's bread, okay.
Yeah.
It's bread. Oh, it's really good actually. Very, very nice. As good a food as you get in economy, really. Not much out there, a few lights here and there. I think we're about 40 minutes, 37 minutes in fact, away from Doha.
السادة المسافرين يجب تعبئة نموذج الإقرار عند دخولك أو مغادرتك الدولة إذا كنت تحمل.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Doha, the state of Qatar, your gateway to the world. The local time here is 15 minutes past the hour of 5 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft is completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartment and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft.
Well, it's like 5:20 in the morning. We were touched down. We're on time. Wow, there was some screaming, baby screaming. That was next level. Sleep not possible.
Sorry.
It's okay. Welcome to Doha. Hamad International Airport, and the sun is rising. Well folks, screaming babies aside, that was a pretty decent flight. The food didn't look like much, but actually tasted pretty good. And most importantly, we made it safely into Doha. More thoughts in the next video. Don't forget to check that out. It should be out on Thursday this week, where we will be taking Qatar Airways again, but in business class from Doha, here Hamad International Airport, to Istanbul, Turkey. Thanks as always for joining me for this vlog. Take care wherever you are in the world, and may the journey never end. This is just part of the lounge, and I made myself comfortable here and got a few hours sleep. Who doesn't love a waterfront zone? I can't get through this way, can I? Dinner has started. and check it out. A shave at 30,000, 40,000 feet, I don't know.